Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Jessy, where learning English is easy, fun, and for everyone. I'm Jessy.
And I'm Jack. Hello everyone. So happy to be here with you today.
Jack, can I ask you something strange?
Strange. Now I am very curious.
Do you ever know exactly what you want to say in English, but your mouth just will not cooperate?
Oh, every single day, Jessy. Every single day.
Me too, actually, even as an English teacher.
Really? You have that problem too?
Sometimes, yes. When I am nervous or tired, the words are in my head, but coming out feels slow.
Like your brain and your mouth are not connected properly.
Exactly. And today, that is exactly what we are talking about.
Training your mouth to speak English.
Yes, because speaking English is not just about knowing words.
It is about your mouth being trained to make the right sounds, in the right order, at the right speed.
Like a musician. A musician knows the notes, but their fingers still need practice to play them smoothly. Okay, Jack, let's start with why this matters so much.
Why does your mouth need training? Is it not enough to just know English?
No, and this is something many learners do not realize.
They study vocabulary, they study grammar, they know a lot of English.
But when they try to speak, it comes out slowly, or they make mistakes they would not make in writing.
Because speaking uses completely different muscles and skills from reading or writing.
Exactly. Speaking English requires your lips, your tongue, your jaw, your breath, all working together.
That is a lot of body parts to coordinate.
Yes, and if those parts are not trained for English specifically, they will default to your first language patterns.
Default. Go back to what they know.
Yes, your mouth is used to making the sounds of your first language every day for years.
So it is comfortable with those sounds, those rhythms, those patterns.
And English sounds different. The rhythm is different. Some sounds might not even exist in your first language.
So your mouth genuinely does not know how to make those sounds yet.
Not yet, but it can learn with the right practice.
With the right training.
Exactly. And that is what today is about. Practical mouth training for English speakers.
Practical. Things you can actually do, starting today.
Starting right now, actually. Okay, the first and most powerful technique for training your mouth is called shadowing.
Shadowing. Like a shadow following someone.
Exactly. In language learning, shadowing means listening to someone speak and repeating exactly what they say at the same time.
At the same time, not after. At the same time.
Yes, you listen and you speak simultaneously, like an echo.
Like an echo. That sounds challenging.
It is at first, but it trains your mouth in a very specific and powerful way.
How does it work exactly?
When you shadow, you are not translating, you are not thinking about grammar, you are just copying sound patterns directly.
Sound patterns. The music of the language.
Yes, the rhythm, the stress, the speed, the flow, all of it at once.
So your mouth learns to move in English patterns, not in your first language patterns.
Exactly. And over time, those English patterns become natural, automatic.
You stop thinking about how to say things and just say them.
That is the goal. Automatic, natural speech.
How do I start shadowing?
Start with something easy, a simple English podcast episode, like this one.
Like this one.
Yes. Listen to a sentence, then immediately repeat it. Try to match the speed, the rhythm, the sound exactly.
Not word by word, the whole flow of the sentence.
Yes, the whole feeling of it. Try to sound exactly like the person you are listening to.
Even the emotion, the warmth?
Everything. The more you copy, the more natural your mouth becomes.
And this is something I can do alone, at home.
Completely alone, in your room, in the car, in the shower, anywhere.
The shower again, the best English practice room in the world.
The best room. And start with just 5 minutes of shadowing per day.
5 minutes. That is very manageable.
Very manageable. And 5 minutes of focused practice every day will change your speaking faster than hours of passive listening.
Focused practice beats passive practice every time.
Every single time. Quality over quantity. Okay, the second technique is practicing difficult English sounds directly.
Difficult sounds? Like sounds that do not exist in your first language?
Yes, every language has sounds that are unique, and English has some that are famously difficult for learners.
Which ones?
The TH sound is one of the most difficult for almost all English learners.
TH, like the, or think, or three.
Yes, in many languages, this sound simply does not exist, so learners replace it with D or T or S.
Z instead of the. Tink instead of think.
Yes, and the only way to fix this is to practice the physical movement of making the sound.
Physical movement. Where does your tongue go?
For TH, you gently place the tip of your tongue between your top and bottom teeth and blow air.
Between the teeth. Like this. The. Think. Three.
Yes. Feel how your tongue touches your teeth?
Yes. It is a very specific feeling.
Yes, and that feeling needs to become automatic, so you practice it again and again.
The. This. That. Think. Three. Thursday. 30.
Beautiful. Keep going. Do it slowly at first. Speed comes later.
Slow and correct first, then fast.
Exactly. Never practice something wrong quickly. Practice it correctly, slowly, until it becomes natural.
Slow and right, then fast and right.
And tongue twisters are a fantastic tool for this.
Tongue twisters, those sentences that are very hard to say quickly.
Ha! That is the point. It forces the SH and S sounds to work together rapidly.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Ha! That is the point. It forces the SH and S sounds to work together rapidly.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Better. And another one. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Oh, that one is famous. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck?
The W and CH sounds together. Very challenging for many learners.
And why are tongue twisters actually helpful?
Because they push your mouth to its limits, and like any muscle training, pushing your limits makes you stronger.
Mouth muscles, tongue muscles, lip muscles.
All getting stronger with every tongue twister you practice.
So I should practice tongue twisters every day?
Even just 2 or 3 minutes. Say them slowly first, then build speed.
Slowly first, then speed. Just like learning a musical instrument.
Exactly, the same principle. Now, the third technique, and this one is so simple that most people overlook it completely.
What is it?
Speak out loud, in English, every day.
That sounds obvious, Jessy.
It sounds obvious, but most learners do not do it.
Really? Why not?
Because they are waiting until their English is good enough to speak.
But you need to speak to make your English good enough to speak.
Exactly. It is a circle, and you have to break into it by just speaking.
Even if it is not perfect.
Especially if it is not perfect, because perfect practice is impossible at the beginning.
So what does speaking out loud actually look like as a daily habit?
Describe your day out loud in English while you do things.
Like a running commentary on your own life.
Ha, that is a very peaceful English commentary. Ha, yes, but your mouth is moving, making English sounds, building the habit.
And it does not matter if no one is listening.
It does not matter at all. In fact, sometimes no one listening is better.
Less pressure, more freedom to make mistakes.
Exactly. You can be wrong 10 times in a row and no one minds.
And each wrong attempt teaches your mouth something.
Yes, your mouth learns from mistakes just like your brain does.
So every wrong pronunciation is actually progress.
Every attempt is progress, wrong or right.
What else can I say out loud?
Read out loud any English text, a book, a website, the subtitles on a show.
Read the words out loud instead of just with your eyes.
Yes, reading silently is passive. Reading out loud is active training.
Your mouth is working, your ears are hearing your own English.
And hearing yourself is very powerful. You notice your own mistakes.
You become your own teacher.
Exactly. You hear something that does not sound right and you try again.
Self-correction, the most honest feedback you can get.
And you can record yourself too. Listen back and hear how you sound.
Oh, that's a great idea. And a little scary.
A little scary, yes, but incredibly useful.
You hear things you never noticed before.
Your rhythm, your speed, your pronunciation, your natural weaknesses.
And once you hear them, you can work on them.
Awareness is the first step to improvement.
Okay, the fourth technique, and this one is the most unglamorous.
Unglamorous, not exciting or glamorous.
Yes, not exciting, but very effective.
What is it?
Repetition. Repeating the same words and phrases many, many times.
Repetition, again and again.
Yes, because speaking fluency comes from repetition, from saying things so many times they become automatic.
Automatic, without thinking about it.
Yes. Think about a phrase like, "How are you doing?"
How are you doing?
Very simple. If you say it 100 times, it becomes completely automatic. Your mouth knows exactly how to form those sounds.
Without thinking about each word separately.
Yes, the whole phrase becomes one unit, one smooth movement.
Like a practiced dancer, the moves become one flowing thing.
Beautiful comparison. Exactly. Repetition creates flow.
So I should take common phrases and just repeat them many times.
Yes. Take 10 phrases you use often. Say each one 10 times every day.
10 phrases, 10 times each, every day.
It only takes a few minutes, but the results are enormous.
Enormous, a very strong word.
Because they truly are enormous over time. Automatic speech feels like a superpower.
A superpower, being able to just speak without thinking.
Yes, and repetition is the only path to that superpower.
There are no shortcuts.
No shortcuts, but the path is simple. Just repeat.
Repeat, repeat, repeat.
Until your mouth knows the way without a map.
Without a map, your mouth finds the path on its own.
That is the goal, and it is absolutely achievable. Okay, let's put all 4 techniques together into a simple daily mouth training plan.
A plan, practical and doable.
Yes, because knowing techniques is one thing, actually doing them is another.
So, what does a daily mouth training session look like?
5 minutes of shadowing, using a podcast or video in English. 5 minutes, very manageable. 2 minutes of tongue twister practice, slowly, then faster.
2 minutes, my mouth will be working hard.
5 minutes of speaking out loud every day, describing your day, reading aloud, record yourself.
5 minutes, my own English commentary on my own life.
And 5 minutes of phrase repetition, your 10 most used phrases 10 times each.
5 minutes, repeat, repeat, repeat.
Total 17 minutes, less than 20 minutes a day.
Less than 20 minutes. Anyone can find 17 minutes.
Yes, in the morning, during lunch, before bed.
17 minutes, and your mouth gets stronger every single day.
Every single day, even on the days it does not feel like it is working.
Because some days feel harder than others.
Yes, some days your mouth feels stuck, your words feel clumsy.
Clumsy, like they do not fit properly.
Yes, and that is normal. That is part of the process.
It does not mean you are going backwards.
Never backwards, just consolidating, preparing for the next leap forward.
The next breakthrough.
Yes, and breakthroughs always come for every learner who keeps going.
Keeps going. That is the most important thing.
Always the most important thing. Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review of the 4 techniques.
1. Shadowing. Listen and repeat simultaneously. Match the sound patterns of English.
2. Sound practice and tongue twisters. Target difficult sounds directly. Slowly first, then build speed.
3. Speak out loud every day. Describe your day, read aloud, record yourself.
4. Repetition. Take your most used phrases and repeat them until they are completely automatic.
4 techniques. 17 minutes a day. Enormous results over time.
Your mouth is an instrument, and like any instrument, it needs daily practice.
Daily practice. Not occasional practice. Daily.
Even 17 minutes, even 10, even 5 on a very busy day.
Something is always better than nothing.
Always. Now our homework for today.
Yes, pick one technique from today and do it right now, after this episode ends.
Right now, not tomorrow, now.
Shadow 1 minute of this episode, say a tongue twister 3 times, read 1 paragraph aloud.
Whatever feels most natural to you, just start.
Starting is always the hardest part, but once you start, you'll keep going.
And tell us in the comments, which technique are you going to try first?
We want to know. We read every comment.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to English with Jessy.
New episodes every week. Share this with someone who wants to speak English more naturally.
Thank you so much, everyone. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Open your mouth. Make the sounds. Train every single day.
Goodbye. Your mouth already knows more English than you think. Now let it show you.